Talk about how can you find saved answers on your Braille app. We're going to figure out the solution and know how you can do that on your Braille app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. We just click here on profile, it's going to show for you list like this here. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just click here on saved answers here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this here. So then here we'll find all saved answers you have here. So here you can add your favorite answers here by tapping the bookmark it icon here in this list. So that's all you have to do to find your saved answers. That's all. I wish now you I get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.